Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change your name in Telegram. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So all we need is open Telegram and go to the settings. Click edit, and on this page you can change the photo, your name, write a bio and also change your phone number or username. Click on the name and we can enter any other one. You can change the number if you need it. Click change number again and first select your country and the enter a new phone number and confirm it. Then click the username and it can also be changed. After all the changes, click done and your data will be updated. That's how easy it is. Also watch my other videos about Telegram at the link in description and you will learn a lot. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye, have a nice day.